Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do a black, white, silver and gold reverse dip, and I will start with black. And I will try to add a little more petals than the last time in my last video, because I think that I didn't add enough petals, so I have this strange separated petals on, and I didn't like it, so I started with black and pearl white and black again, I have just a little bit of gold left. I'm almost out of these metallics. I ordered them, but I didn't receive it yet, so I hope that I will get it soon, because I'm out of it. And silver. And black again. And now I will add a little petals here in between, just to see if this will make any difference. Please, just a little more. I will add a dot in the middle too. Black, silver, black again, and I will go with black here while I'm having it in my arms. Okay, and I will add gold and black again. And I'm out of my pearl white. Silver. Whoops, and I just add silver here that I didn't want to, and now I have to do it. And I think that this will be it. And now my paper napkin. I will spray it with water only, and let's see if this will be any better than the last one that I get these petals on the outside that I didn't like. So let's place it down. I just see that I didn't do the center quite okay, but now it is what it is. So you can already see here that my center is not centered, so we will see how this will end up. A little better, I think. Then on the last one, but maybe I should have done more petals, because I was hoping for more. For a fuller flower, kind of. So maybe I should do it a little differently. But this can be my next project, so I'm quite happy again. Still not completely what I was hoping for, but quite happy. Let me take you for a close-up. See, it's not completely what I was hoping for again, but it's kind of nice. I don't know, kind of like it again. So this is it for today, and we see you on the next one. Bye.